Class 55 locomotives. This H0 model comes from the company Pico from the small town of Sonneberg in the former GDR, and it was manufactured in the 1980s. It is a model specific to the state railway company of the former Czechoslovakia. Many details, such as the air pump, have been added separately. The length over buffers is 210 millimeters. All axles are driven via a spur gear. The prototype for this model was the Class 55-25 to 55-56 freight locomotive, which was formerly known as Class G81 of the Prussian State Railways. This further development of the classical G8 had a larger boiler and a correspondingly higher friction weight with a service weight, including tender, of 115.4 tons. It was paired, however, with different tenders that could contain 6 or 7 tons of coal in reserve and reached speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour. So it was used almost exclusively on main routes in freight traffic. Due to the strong presence of freight traffic on the rails, 4,985 examples were made between 1930 and 1921 for the Prussian State Railways and later for the Deutsche Reichsbahn. Others were purchased by smaller railway companies or even sold abroad, for example to Romania or Sweden. In 1925, the newly founded Deutsche Reichsbahn not only took over 3,121 Prussian locomotives as Class 55, in particular 55-25 to 55-56, but also others. After the end of the Second World War, there were only a little over 1,000 units of this class left, many of which were retired over the next 20 years. The problem was that due to their low speed, they could hardly be used on main routes, but rather only in shunting service. Today, only 2 copies have been preserved. One is in the Railway Museum in Bochum and the other one in the Technology Museum in Speyer.